Hey y'all, Myrtle Beach Foodie Babe here, putting you on to one of my favorite buffets in Myrtle Beach. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Myrtle Beach foodie adventures. Today we're taking you inside one of the most exciting all-you-can-eat spots on the Grand Strand. 9 Spices Hot Pot and Barbecue. And trust me, you're going to want to experience this for yourself. This place is massive and the options go on forever. Whether you're craving beef, chicken, pork, seafood, or something a little more adventurous, they've got it all. I'm talking frog legs, crab legs, sliced meats for grilling, fresh veggies, noodles, dumplings, and more. Plus, you can mix and match everything for both hot pot and Korean barbecue. And yes, they also include all-you-can-eat sushi. It's pretty much a dream if you love variety. Before diving in, you get to choose your drink. They have several cold cases fully stocked with tons of options, including lots of sugar-free drinks, sparkling waters, and sodas. They also serve smoothies, teas, sake, beer, and wine, so you can really tailor your meal to your vibe. Next up is choosing your own broth. They offer 9 different broth bases, each with its own flavor personality. I personally went with number 7, the Healthy Herbal Broth, and wow, it was absolutely delicious. Light, flavorful, aromatic. I would definitely order this again. I didn't expect my noodles to come out tasting so flavorful, and it was definitely from this broth because there was no extra seasoning added in. I would highly recommend. Then it's time for the fun part, the sauce station. You can completely customize your own dipping sauce by mixing garlic, herbs, oils, paste, chilies, soy sauce, and more. After that, grab yourself some sushi, because why not? It's included. Then we headed to pick out all of our hot pot ingredients and barbecue selections, from marinated meats to fresh seafood and veggies. We loaded up our plates and cooked everything right at the table. It was such a yummy interactive meal, and we had a blast experimenting with different combos. We truly enjoyed our experience at 9 Spices, and I hope this video helps you decide what to try when you visit. If you love discovering great food spots in Myrtle Beach, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I've got plenty more delicious places to show you.